everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. As you can clearly see, I love dainty jewelries. I wear them every single day, so I picked up few more pieces from Amazon. मैं usually H&M या फिर Zara से dainty pieces उठाती थी. It is expensive and it doesn't last long. 2-3 month में उसके color निकल जाते थे, बहुत सारे scratches आ जाते थे, and sometimes it is like it gives me rashes as well. So the pieces that I have picked up, it is anti-tarnish, मतलब वो color नहीं निकलने वाला है. You can use them for a really long time. Plus it is hypoallergenic. So very excited for today's haul. So without further ado, let's get started.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
सारी ज्वेलरी पीसेस मैंने ये ब्रांड से मंगाए हैं. It's this brand called Salve and I like the packaging as well. It's very sleek and cute. Let's open it up. So this is the first jewelry piece that I picked up. It's a necklace. And as you can see, it's a serpent necklace and it looks very chic on me. This is definitely not a dainty piece at all. It's a statement piece और मुझे एक ऐसा piece चाहिए था अपने wardrobe में. As you can clearly see, it looks very chic. और ये इसके मैंने बहुत सारे pins देखे थे Pinterest पे and I definitely wanted something similar. मुझे एक वो serpent वाला एक flat necklace आता है वो भी चाहिए था. इनके brand में वो भी है but it was out of stock. My bad luck. So I thought I'll just pick this one up because it is also equally very pretty. मुझे इसका जो ये detailing है चेन का वो भी मुझे बहुत ही ज्यादा प्यारा लगा. And this is how the head and tail of the necklace looks like. सबसे बेस्ट चीज मुझे लगी कि ये बहुत ज्यादा versatile है. This head thing, you can clip it anywhere. So if you want to wear it as a choker and then the dangling piece, you can wear it like that, or you can wear it a little lower to give it a very nice, elegant, chic look. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा versatile है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आया. This is definitely a big thumbs up from my end. Okay, this is the second packaging I got. Let's open it up. देखते हैं इसमें क्या क्या है. So इसमें भी multiple pieces है. As you can see, let's see it one by one. Next, I picked up these small hoop earrings. I love hoop earrings and I wear them all the freaking time. और ये इतना cute और dainty है. It's very small, yet it's visible because ये काफी thick है. As you can see, इतना पतला भी नहीं है कि गायब हो जाए. It's quite visible and it's very small and chic. I absolutely love it. This is something that I can wear on an everyday basis. I'll tell you why. Because इसका जो clasp है, it opens and closes like this. It does not have that screw thing. And while sleeping, I don't know if it's only me, but मैं नहीं सो पाती हूँ वैसे वाले earrings में because वो मुझे hurt करता है यहाँ पर. This one does not have it, so I can definitely wear this every single day without removing it, which is like a big thumbs up. And I finally found something that I can wear every single day without removing it. Plus anti-tarnish है तो काफी time तक ये चलेगा. Very cute, very chic. This is one of my favorite pieces that I picked up tonight. Moving on to another one of my favorite pieces that I've picked in today's haul. Very pretty, very chic, dainty necklace. I love this emerald heart over here. Emerald is definitely one of my favorite stones. I feel it looks very rich and very chic. And it goes with a lot of other colors और ज़्यादा clash नहीं होता है. You can literally wear it with everything and anything. And I love the small heart detailing at the side. Plus, I love the chain on it as well. It's so dainty, it's so patla that it almost disappears. Feels like you're not wearing anything and there's just a emerald heart and a cute little gold heart over here. Again, this is a piece that I would love to wear every single day. I feel ये जो heart detailing है ये मुझे थोड़ा annoy करेगा while sleeping. But rest everything is so freaking perfect. I love it to death. And एक ऐसा dainty jewelry piece I feel everyone should own in their jewelry collection. This is definitely one of my favorite pieces and it looks so chic and cute. इसका packaging भी काफी अच्छा लगा मुझे aesthetically, the branding and everything. Plus ये जो है ना यहाँ पर नीचे एक ऐसा sticky thing दिया हुआ है. So this thing also stayed in place throughout the transit. And yeah, it's very pretty. A big thumbs up. Speaking of emerald stone, I picked up another piece which has an emerald stone in it. It is a bracelet. मुझे actually इसका set करना था, the necklace, earring as well as this. मैंने necklace और ये तो मिल गया, but मुझे earrings मिला नहीं. But yeah, I picked up those two items and it's so freaking good. It looks so pretty and it's very dainty. I love that I can stack it up with my watch, this thing as well as this, I think overall it will look really good, and I can just wear the necklace and this as a set. It will just complement very well. Again, ये ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है, and इसमें भी ना एक थोड़ा अलग detailing है. This one is like a thicker chain, and यहाँ पर 2 अलग chains है. Again, something different और बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है. Again, very chic, very cute. I feel like I'm using this chic word to describe every single item, but that's how I feel about them. It is cute and chic and dainty. That's the whole haul, right? And yeah, I love this piece as well. 10 out of 10. Next, I picked up this Cartier inspired nail bracelet. So much as so कि उस पे literally Cartier लिखा हुआ भी है. So this is how the bracelet looks like, और इसका ये ऐसे opening है. इसका मेरे को थोड़ा हालत खस्ता लग रहा है, इतना मुझे पसंद नहीं आया टू बी ऑनेस्ट. यहाँ पर कार्टियर लिखा हुआ भी है. ओके सी, इसका ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग मुझे थोड़ा फ्लिम्जी लगा. ओवरऑल द क्वालिटी, इट इज अ बिट हैवी, नॉट सुपर लाइट वेट, बट आई फील इट्स द मेटल दैट दे हैव यूज्ड, बट इट्स प्रीटी. It's pretty. I like it. It's a little flimsy, so I would give it a pass. But overall, I think it's cute. If you want something like this for a cheaper price, then yeah, you can definitely give it a try. Moving on to the last packaging I got. As I said, everything is from this brand, and इसमें भी और भी बहुत सारे pieces हैं. Let's see them one by one. So this is another bracelet that I picked up. Actually, ये similar bracelet मेरे पास था already, but I lost it. I don't know where it went. I'm not able to find it, so I thought of picking it up again. This is again a Cartier inspired bracelet, which I really like. इस पे भी लिखा हुआ है क्या? Yes. इस पे भी उसका proper like the serial number, the IP and everything is like printed over here. But I really like the gold, and इस पे जो वो detailing है यहाँ पर bracelet पे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. As you can clearly see, I'm wearing something similar. This is by Daniel Wellington. I think this will look really good as a stacked up with my watch. See, something like this. It'll look really pretty. Yeah, I like it. I'm happy with the purchase. Again, the quality is really good. ये इसका size थोड़ा बड़ा है मेरे हाथ के लिए. आई विश इट वॉज अ लिटिल स्मॉलर. इसमें साइजिंग नहीं है, ये वन साइज ही है, यही आता है. एंड या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. इट्स अ लिटिल बिगर फॉर मी, बट आई डोंट माइंड बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक इट. अगेन, इट इज अ बिट ऑन द मीडियम, आई वुड से. इतना हैवी भी नहीं है, बट इट लुक्स रियली chic and cute. I would say this is like a proper knockoff copy of the original bracelet. Obviously, this is like a copy. This is not original Cartier bracelet, but if you don't mind wearing something like this, then you can definitely give it a try. ये बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है, and I would give it a thumbs up. Next, I picked up this earring, and now this I saw a picture of Hailey Bieber wearing something similar. This is definitely like a statement earring, and it's very pretty. It looked very pretty on her, so I thought let's get it. It looks like a comma. I don't know, it looks like a comma. It's very big, but yeah, it's a statement earring, and it looked so good on her, and it looks really good on me as well, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. This is not heavy at all. It's very lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it, and it looks so good. As I said, it's a statement piece, and I feel just this, if you want to wear like a nice updo and a statement earring like this, will go very beautifully hand in hand. And yeah, I feel something like this you should also have. Not only dainty pieces, but some statement pieces भी होने चाहिए आपके jewelry collection में, just to balance it out. And I really like it, so a big thumbs up. Next, I got this really cute earring. I love the heart detailing that it has. मुझे drop earrings honestly बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And this pearl heart honestly just stole the show for me. I thought ये थोड़ा और dainty होगा, ये heart थोड़ा छोटा होगा, but it's quite big honestly. But I am not complaining at all. इसके ऊपर भी जो मैंने पहना है, इसके ऊपर भी ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगेगा. And I'm very happy with the purchase. Another thing I wanted to point out is जो ऊपर का ये जो earring है, it's a little cheap quality, and it's very lightweight. ये थोड़ा मुझे cheap quality लगा. ये heart जो detailing है वो प्यारा है, but I think overall it's still okay. It looks really good. I just hope कि ये भी anti tarnish हो, because ऐसा लग रहा है कि इसका कलर जाएगा for some reason. It just looks, it doesn't look like the highest quality, I would say. but it's very pretty, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. Like, look at it. Wow, it's looking so pretty. Yes, I'm definitely gonna keep it. And this is the last thing I got from this brand. It's again a hoop, but ये थोड़ा अलग है. Okay, as I said, ये थोड़ा अलग है. As you can see, it has like a rectangle shape to the earring, and it's a hoop. Again, it has this open close clasp detailing. One thing that I've noticed about this brand is जिसमें भी ऐसे clasp detailing है ना, one earring होगा जिसमें ये easily open close होगा, and another one is a little stiff, so you just have to like add some more strength to open and close it. अभी तो ये easily हो रहा है, but when I saw it for the first time, it was, see, it's a little difficult to open and close. That's the only thing that I've noticed so far. But the quality, the weight, and everything about it looks really good. Very luxurious. It's not very heavy as well, which I like. And yeah, this is how it is. Oh, hoop earring. What else should I say about it? Very cute, very chic, and I wear them like 99% of the time. Majority of the time I'm wearing hoop earrings, and this is something different. Mostly तो मेरे circle वाले होते हैं. This is a little different. So yeah, this is the last piece that I got. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Also, आपका favorite jewelry piece कौन सा था वो भी मुझे फटाफट comment section में बता देना. Amazon Great Summer Sale will start from 2nd May, and if you're a Prime member, you'll get early access to all the great deals from tonight. You can get up to 50 to 80% off minimum on all top brands. So what are you waiting for? Get your shopping done now. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow with Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that little pole.